Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today in here I wanna present you guys about my project when I was still in IDN boarding school. So, as you can see in here, the start project, I wanna give you from the 7th grade until 9th grade is Scratch, Buildbox, multimedia or design, IoT, Internet of Things, Codula, and Flutter. From the first, Scratch is one of the uh, platform that can make a coding or maybe some games that you can make it by drag and drop that already make from the scratch itself, and from the build box, the highest level of the higher level from the scratch. The same of the make game, but the difference is there is 3D and 2D. For Mulmat, there is many of design that I make when I still 8th grade. And IoT, Internet of Things, maybe can make like robot in Macrobit and others. Codular and Flutter is a platform to make an application from Android, yeah, and iOS. So for the Scratch build box is from the 7th grade. Mulmat IoT is from 8th grade, and Codular and Flutter is 9th grade now. Project in 7th grade that I want to show you guys is Adab Islami when you want to sleep and catching fruit. So in here, this is my first project when I was still in 7th grade. The firstly is as you can see, catching fruit. Catching fruit is a game that you guys can make in Scratch, and the function of this game is when you apply the ball in the down in here. Later, the golden apple, beetle, and the golden beetle will drop in the sky, and then when the ball catch the apple, regular apple, it will get one, if I'm not wrong, 1 point, and for the golden apple, it can add 5 point, and for the beetle, will minus 1 point, and for the golden beetle, it will minus 5 point. And for the Adab Islam before sleep, as you can see, there is two type of the tutorial of the Adab Islami, the girl and the boy. For the boy, the name is Bilal, and for the girl, I forget the name because I never clicked the girl one. And the game function is from the moral things that maybe if you forget or maybe you don't know about the sunnah and others, the tutorial from the others before sleep, you guys can see it through the app and others. And this for the build box. There is two games that I want to show. First is is about the chicken rod. There is some a block in here that you guys will throw it and like is the chicken rod. And for the second is the rod, square rod. I don't know. I forget the name. But if you see in here, there is the flat one. Actually, when you start the game, later will be spike in the center of it, and you must throw it with a jump or space, and you can get a diamond one in here. And as you can see in here, there is many of the block or asset that I make with the chicken rod, and for this is the first wood box that I make too in here. So we next to the 8th grade when I was still 8th grade. This medicine when in 8th grade, and for the target in the 8th grade, for the first one is the design of the merchandise poster. As you can see in here, this about the what Air Jordan that I make, and maybe I add some plugin. Actually, I had many of the merchandise, but I don't know why I choose this. This is maybe the bestest poster that I make in the 8th grade, and this is the infographic poster that I make too in 8th grade after merchandise or before merchandise, if I'm not wrong. This about the for benefit of tahajud play. And this is IoT that I make with my friend. For the first is about smart garden. So smart garden is some IoT or some program that you can guys can uh, through it, like maybe if you yeah, if you guys had a plant or many water, and you must pour the water to the plant, and maybe if it's over, maybe the smart garden will detect it, and many others of the like temperature and humidity. And one of the smart garden, I add some the platform name adafruit.io, uh, some like a programming platform that can program the robot in the IoT. And for the second one is the smart trash bin that I make with my group. So and as you can see here is not an eye but it's like a sensor. Yeah, it's like an eye. But sensor when you when your hand um, in your hand through the sensor in here, the sensor will detect your infrared, and then automatically the trash bin will open. So that's why the name is smart trash bin. uh, and I program it in Arduino, and maybe it took so hard and it took so long to make it. Then we next to the 9th grade. The application actually, yes, this that I last maybe I wanna give you some. So at the first project that I make in the 9th grade is about Codeler, the calculation app. As you can see, calculation app is app that made a calculation number in 8 features. As you can see, is the text. I read the text: calculator, square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapeze, triangle, rectangle, secant, and many of unique shape features that you can use it. You can use it and fun with it. Uh, and calculation app is like a calculator, but with the geometry shape one. And I make it at Codular, and this is the final project that I made it in the 9th grade at once first semester is Bitaqwa. Actually Bitaqwa already made many people that make it until already in Google Play Store. There is many features like dua-dua, zakat, sholat schedule, kajian video, and many others. And you can see the inspiration from the poster that already approach on the application. Like if you zakat features is will make you like if you had money and you want to zakat, maybe the money is not enough to zakat. So you can calculate it. For example, 85 million, and then the zakat will be automatically calculated become the amount of your zakat when you want to zakat. And for the dua, there is many of the dua that you can see it like when you still at home, when you already in the road, already when you suffer, and you want many lah like zikir pagi petang and many others. That is in dua-dua, and dua-dua is the complete one in here. And the third one is the jadwal sholat features. The sholat feature will give you the time when in set that in your location. As you can see in here the Bitaqwa is location is in Kecamatan Jonggol, and jadwal sholat when you open it automatically will set your location where you at. For example, you're in Jakarta, Bekasi, and Tangerang, Depok, and many others. And when you set the location, automatically will change the time. Will be like the city one, yeah, like that. The fourth one is about video kajian. Video kajian is a feature that when you see it, there is many of the kajian video that you can see like Khalid Basalamah, Ustadz Firja, Kiranda, and others. And maybe one of that video had many of moral things that you can learn it in there. And then actually there is many feature in here, but I forget the one of the feature in there. And For the inspiration, actually, there is many that I upload on Nabi Taqwa and others. And for the calculation app, for me, this is the hardest thing that I make at 9th grade, especially at Bitaqwa, because it took so many code in here. Because of the one app can programming with all code and then many of errors that I make in there. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I had a mistake. The conclusion of my project is, if you want go to IDN, just go to IDN. It will not hard. You can enjoy the project in here. You will not get tortured in here. Just if you want to go to IDN, will open arm. And that's all that I wanna show you guys the project that I made in from the 7th grade, 9th grade, and 8th grade. Like before, like I said, Scratch, Buildbox, IoT, multimedia, and Flutter, and also Codular. And I hope you guys enjoy the project that I show it on the TV. And maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if I had many mistake. The right one is from Allah, one and only, and for the wrong one is from me and Shaitan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.